If you're tired of the same old navigation button on your Android phone, in this guide you will learn how to easily change your navigation style and customize your phone control in just a few simple steps. Whether you want gesture or different button layout, these quick tricks can give your Android a fresh new feel. Now let's get started. First, open the main settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone or Android phone. Scroll down a little, find the display option, tap to open it. After the display page, scroll down again, look for the navigation bar option, click on them. Here you can see the two navigation options appear. Button mode. This is the basic button mode. Here, if you select it, you can look for the bottom menu bar of your phone. You can see the three pop-up button automatically appear. Back button, home button, recent button. Or if you want to decide to change the button layout, simply tap on the more option. Here you can see the button order, two different options. You can select that one if you like. Or if you want to set swipe gesture mode, not be use button mode on your navigation bar, don't panic. Back to the navigation bar page, here you can select swipe gesture. You can also customize it, simply go to the more option page. Here you can gesture sensitivity adjust it, such as lower or higher if you like. And that's it, how you can easily change navigation button on your Android phone. That's how you can easily done. Try today's and customize your phone experience you anywhere. Thanks for watching.